Okay. Again, this is Automatics in Motion. It's Richard Boundboy. It's dickboundboy69 at gmail.com. And I'm doing my second of my 3 unboxings today. All these are from Watch Gang. These are Watch Gang watches. And Watch Gang is the subscription company. And I haven't done this disclaimer of sorts, but we're going to do it now because I see everyone else doing it. And we'll let everyone out there, all the subscribers that probably don't know about Watch Gang, know that you can get a watch. You can get it monthly, quarterly. You can get it whenever. They have those options where you can get a $50 watch, a $100 watch, a $300 watch, and once in a while, a $1,000 watch. Now, you pay for those watches, you're going to get a watch that's usually 3 to 5 times more expensive than that, or at least its value to you or to another person is about that. And you can get surprised. Some of these watches will knock your socks off. Some of them will be, and we have options. We have a spot where you can go in the official site. They have other sites that are somewhat similar, but the Facebook official site for Watch Gang, where you can trade that away. Other members of the 38,000 other members that would love to maybe have your watch. Trade it for one of the ones that similar, that different colors that you could have picked up, but you didn't, because it's a blind subscription and you wish you had the best luck, and sometimes you don't. Sometimes you do. I've gotten pretty lucky many times. Now, my friend Bruno Smith, who is a Watch Gang aficionado as well, he has his beautiful shield with an abalone dial on it. And I'm jealous. I want it, but he would never get rid of it. But that's the same as me getting rid of my out of order purple. That's not going to happen. It just really won't. And I love Watch Gang for that too. Displaying my breed right there. And I don't know what the collection is, but I'm really liking it. I like the colors on the hands and the blue dial. I'm wearing my Melbourne Lonsdale white automatic, paired beautifully with these bracelets from Spencer's. Let's open it up. Brand new blade in my new utility knife for work, so I know that was cutting it smooth as butter. Rocking another 4 years for Watch Gang on their card. And let's see, what was this one? It's the same type. Ooh, Redshift 7. I know there was a few of those out there. I did see a few of the people. I didn't see a lot of people who's rocking what they got, but I did see a few with the Redshift 7. Let's see what the color I got. I think I got a Redshift 7 red one time, and the one I saw I think was blue from this guy. Try not to show anybody. Keep it. It's a green dial. Ooh. What? That is solid. Hefty. It's a quartz. Stainless steel case back with its engraved insignia on it. The Exosphere. Wow, that's beautiful. Sunburst dial, green. Oh, we have a rotating bezel. I'm almost certain this is not going to be a screw-down count because of having that in it. But we'll click, and it is a push-down. Alright. Beautiful. I like the different polishes on the band. Keep it, sparkling on a little bit and then rough on the other edge. Wow, Watch Gang, thank you again. As always, Richard Boundboy, Automatics in Motion, dickboundboy69 at gmail.com, man. Just saying how much I love what you guys do for your members, what you've ever done for me, all the shout outs. I don't know if anybody saw this, and I'm just gonna bring it up because I loved it, and y'all should be jealous because Kayla gave me a hug on this past weekend, Wheel Wednesday. And if you didn't see it, you should probably watch it because I should just share it all the time because I got that hug and you guys didn't. I hope you're jealous. Rich Bob Boy signing out.